Victoria Paul with the Greener Clean here, and today I'd like to talk to you about two different options for giving the gift of less stress and more time to your loved ones this holiday season or any time throughout the year. This is our gift certificate. You can also purchase a digital version online through one of our links, and that would be emailed to you or your recipient. But I also offer free gift wrap. So if you call me or email me and let me know that you'd like your gift certificate gift wrapped, there's no additional charge, and let me know what kind of goodies they like. So in this basket here, I've got some organic chocolate and this cute little ornament. This one has some bath bombs and some soap and another cute little ornament with some little lavender in a little pot there. Super cute. We can customize these baskets and put whatever kind of goodies that you think they would love, and it's something fun they can open and just feel really special receiving. So call or email or go online to get your digital certificate and give the gift of less stress and more time for yourself or for your loved one. Thank you.